Hi there, Kieran here from SafetyCulture. Today, I'm going to take you through how to use the office cleaning checklist. Now, the idea behind this particular check is that it's for somebody who's working their way around an office so they can ensure that they've not missed anything that they might need to clean as part of their role. Now, this could be used every day, or maybe just for somebody who's just started in the cleaning company that we're looking at today. So first of all, I just need to tap Start Inspection next to my office cleaning checklist. I can then choose the site that I'm cleaning today. And then from there, most of the information on this first page is already captured for me. Now I can go through, make my way around the different areas, and you'll see they're highlighted in blue at the top. So I can minimize these to see all the different areas that I need to do, and then I can work my way through. So question 1, have I emptied all the trash receptacles and replaced the liners? I can hit the tick and yes. And this just gives me reminders and makes sure that I have done everything that I need to do today. If for whatever reason I can't complete one of these, for example, there's no water fountain in this particular office, then I can hit NA. I also have the option to add notes and images alongside any of these questions. So that they'll be pushed through to the report and then I can send that off to my head office. At the very end of the inspection, you'll see here I can make any recommendations and then I can sign off with a signature and then generate the report at the end. So it's very simple to use and hopefully just gives you some idea about what you need to do and the process that needs to be followed when conducting a cleaning inspection of your office.